Oh my god, guys, look at this. This guy called, well, tight_leg_2629 from probably Sweden has made something I always want to do. It's called the physics vocabulary sheet, and that contains all the definitions that you need. So if you click into that, you see something like this. Oh my god, this is so detailed. And I checked briefly, and it's pretty up to the standard of what we want. So make sure you check it out, and this is a very good checklist for you to go through, maybe before your exam, or maybe just for your revision for each chapter. I can't be sure that every definition is correct, so if you find something that's maybe skeptical, doubtful, maybe you can ask me in the comment section below, and I will reply to you. Okay, so make sure you check this out, and if they have deleted the file somehow, you can ask me, I can send you a copy. Okay, so I'll put the link in the description below. Make sure you check it out. This guy is really legendary.